Joke lang. It wasn't ramen. It was cup noodles. Get out. Ahem. 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 Hello. You're holding a folder of vlogging things. Vlogging things. Vlogging things. I did that in 5 minutes. Yeah. Joke lang. Pom is inside of there, and I don't know who the new dog is. Let's just call him Blackjack for now, because I don't know its name. I'll just call it Blackjack. Ano yung name ng bago na dog dito? Yung black na one?
Kambing.
Ha? Kambing. Bakit ayun yung niname nyo? Hindi kaya nag-name nun? I'll just call Blackjack for now. Until they come up with another name. Hi, Blackjack!
Sabi niya, kung pwede daw, bigyan ulit ng pangalan. Pangalan niya raw Blackjack.
Nickname ko yan. Nickname ko yan para dyan. Oh, it's cute. It has a little tail. But why? Is it because I'm British? Is it because I'm British? Yes? Sometimes British ako. I've been videoing. Parang aanhin ko din to sa ko. Sa ko liyan sa Instagram ko, sa TikTok ko. Yes, naaanay ako sa dog na yan kasi always kumagat away from me. Bakit kinol yan? Iba na name pero mukhang yung name niyan, Blackjack. But why is this small? Tapon ko to. Ako nga, yung pusa ko nga, Black tsaka ni-name ko Midnight. Maganda yan na name eh. Good ako sa boy names din. Some of them are Henry, Alex, Levi. Alam mo pregnant si Tata, diba? Ha? Pregnant si Tata, diba? I-name niya daw yung son niya, yun? Light. Light ko yung name na Light. Pero sad pa rin ako na hindi nila pinik yung yung first na name na binigay ko. Binigay ko kasi Alex first, second Levi, tsaka tsaka third yun. Tsaka third hindi ko alam. Light nga yung third na one ko eh. Hindi ko alam kasi kung magod yung light para sa think ko like ng pastel. Maganda kasi yung pastel, di ba? Good. Magod yung pastel. Maganda masyadong lighty. Like ko yung ano, dark red, pero like ko din yung pastel na red. Maganda eh. Mukhang pink. Ay, yung, ito nga yung ano eh, nakuha yung pink. Sa rainbow. Ano, ni-name pastel. What? My camera. My legs hurt. Can I sit here? Just watching everyone. Because I don't want them to say anything like the F word or the S word. Every bad word. Even the F, middle finger. What is he doing? What is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you looking that way? Why is he eating everything? Why is he eating an Athos? I want to eat it. I want to do this. That's what you get from trying to kill my dog. Around the world. Around the world. I'm dizzy. Hello. 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 Ha? Tito Pangit. Ikaw ba si Tito Pangit ko? Ha? Ikaw ba si Tito Pangit ko? What's that? Ay, pom-pom. 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 This was disgusting over there. That black dog. Hello. What are you doing? Hello. I wanna play with knives. Totoo ba pag 19 ako, pwede ako get ng gun? Ha? I love guns.
Gun?
Yeah. I love guns. What? What? Ato. What?
Video and me on Master Chat na page na po.
Ano yun?
Come on. I'm rather than me.
You wanna be famous?
Yeah. Oh, what is this? Like very flash. Like flash. Oh.
Para lang may ba?
Ano, think mo si Sonic ka?
Yes.
Say it Britishly.
Na.
Like a
What?
Sonic.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Kaya mo ba ito?
Nope. Mabibreak ko yung hand ko pag nag-ganyan ako.
Ha?
Think ko makukat ko din yung leg mo.
Why?
Kasi kaganon ako.
Karap. Tamaan ka na sa pack ni Tito, malasado malakas. Di kaya ng tawas.
Kaya mo yon? Kaya mo yon? Kaya ko yun.
Kaya ko.
Yun oh, yung rock na yun. Ayun oh, yung rock na yun. Min ko yun oh. Ayan oh, yung rock na yan. Kaya ko yan oh. Kaya ko yan throw sa Mercury. Kaya ko yan throw sa Mercury. The planet Hermes. Di mo napansin naglagay ka ng ganon? Ha? Dito? Meron pa rin nun yun. Pag madumig ba kasi hindi manustar siya? Kaming dalawa nakapants. Thought ko ako lang yung crazy na one shot nag-ano ng pants dito. Give me this. And I'll put it there. Ayan.
Say chop like bloody.
Minma hindi ko kaya gatuhin. So one hand? Ha? Tatanggalin ko yan. Bam. Mas yung bam mo cuma.
Tayo lagi sa papa. Ano sa ay?
Meron butas yung isa.
Doon ka na lang, video ka na mag-video. Bibidyo ka ba patingin?
Kanina pa ako.